Console streaming tip. Part 3.
What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Chilltime Good Vibes. I got another console streaming tip for you guys. Stay tuned. For my next gen consoles, download Quarrel on your Xbox or PlayStation. It works on both. Works wonderful. Quarrel is an Discord app for next gen consoles. It's amazing. Make your own gaming lobby or voice chat with all your friends. If your friends don't have Discord, tell them to download and make an account with Discord, because this will benefit all you guys on next gen, and regardless, eventually you're gonna make your own Discord regardless, between you and your friends. So tell them to go download that. Second tip, they can download Skype. If they don't have Discord, tell them to make a Skype. I'd rather you just download Discord, but you can also use Skype. What you can do on Skype, pretty much the same thing. The only difference is you won't be video chatting or whatever like that, but you guys can all group together in one voice channel and be able to speak to each other between cross-platform. That is also a great solution as well. Like I said, you can do all these things on these two different apps, but keep in mind, Quarrel will only work on next-gen consoles. That's PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series, whatever, S or X. Quarrel will not work on the first-gen consoles, regardless of what edition it is. Skype will work for all of you. It doesn't matter what console you're playing on, it doesn't matter where you're at. Skype will work on everything. I've used it several times before when a game didn't really work for game chat or party chat to be heard on stream, but both of these work really great. Hope you guys have a good day. Catch you guys in the next one.